Good morning. I'm talking quietly because everyone's still asleep, which never happens, so I'm gonna let that ride out a little. Maybe do some cleaning while they're still bundled up in bed. But we survived the blizzard. We did it. We made it. The power didn't go out, which is shocking because pretty much everyone's power went out. Some people still don't have power. There's 1,000 motors stuck on the roads everywhere. Today is Thursday and all the roads are still closed. The sheriff in town said no one should go anywhere, no one should do anything, just stay put. While they try and get the roads cleared up and the cars back to where they belong. Not much snow accumulation. Pretty light snow, but we can finally see out of our windows, which is a plus. Most of our windows had so much snow packed on that you really see out. Not sure if you can see on that window. But that's kind of what it was looking like yesterday. We couldn't see out at all. While they are still asleep, I'm going to get some cleaning done. Maybe make some breakfast. The house is just a disaster. Having a million kids at home for, I think they've been to school one day in like 2 weeks. It's just never ending. Either they're sick or snow day. So I'm gonna start doing that before I have helpers. Well, I got the house all cleaned up just before these little crazies came down. Hello, Phoebe. Hi, bro. Hi, Albert. They're all watching Elmo because, well, why not? And I am going to cook some breakfast real fast. Got some sausage and eggs and toast. I'll get this day started.
Phoebe has decided that she's going to help shovel everything. So she's been following around the landscapers as they're clearing the snow and shoveling all the patios. You having a good time?
Yeah.
You're doing a good job. That snow's crazy, huh? Freezing cold out, and the wind is still strong. And look, some places there's almost no snow.
Some places there's
Some places it's 5 feet deep. Hello, Abby. What?
I want to go through more of this, but they left.
Oh yeah, they have jobs to do.
Yeah, I liked hanging out with them.
Okay. There's still some snow over there in that corner. Go do that. Come inside, warm up. Zoe's making hot cocoa. I don't know either.
Alright, so it's freezing out here. It's cold. I'm gonna go start a snowball fight with Miss Phoebe because she's been out here shoveling all day. Not really shoveling anything of use, but shoveling nonetheless. You can't start before me.
I'm stuck, kind of.
You need to come over here.
Yeah, I know, but
Oh my gosh. This is the perfect snowball snow. Perfect. Have you made a snow angel yet?
What?
Have you?
Not yet, but
This is deep. Oh, it goes all the way past my ankles. Oh, almost to my knees. Oh my goodness. Just a white distance. After that snowball fight, I'm going to take a quick shower and warm up. Step 2, close. And now step 3, cuddle on the couch and drink hot cocoa. And kids thought it'd be perfect weather to air out their rooms. I'm not one to, judge, but I don't think 20-degree weather is the best time to air out a room. Do you think so? Yeah. I don't think so. Let's go investigate. So, I was just upstairs going, gee, it's awfully chilly. Why is there such a draft in my house? Does anyone know why there was a draft in my house? Who opened their bedroom window? No one opened the window because there's ice on my floor. There's cold air upstairs. Window was a foot open. No one?
Aubrey, did you open the window?
No.
You sure?
Because you're the only one inside for a long time. Did you open it to say like, hi guys?
Can I answer?
Oh, that's in my room to love it too.
Did you open the window for chili?
No.
Alright, well,
Mommy, look.
I'll let you out of it this time.
Yeah.